Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Nkanelo Gingirikani with me, Mandla Gingirikani. Thank you very much for joining me. If you are here for the first time, just make sure that you click that red button and also the notification bell to make sure that whenever we do our videos, you are the first to receive it. Also follow me on Instagram. I'm not big, but you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, all those things. I'm not big on those things, but yeah, you can follow me at your own discretion. So, top 8 idols 2020. Wow. So, B is eliminated, guys. I have a question. Is this the biggest upset of the 2020 Idol South Africa after Yoki was eliminated? Because I know that when B and Donny were the last two remaining and the music was playing, that dramatic music of Proverbs, I personally thought Donny is gone. Maybe I was wrong last week when I said I felt like she was the performance of the night for me. When she did Ndizele Wena by Amanda Black, I felt like maybe I was wrong. But you know what? I have to say that Idol South Africa voters are honest. I remember when Pro was asking, who do we think is going into the next round? And everyone in the auditorium was saying B. And I was like, oh my gosh, so it means Ndoni is gone. Was I wrong? Was I that wrong? Because it could have just gone bad. But I'm just happy that people voted for her, because I felt like she gave her best last week. And she deserved it, and this week as well. She killed that Inyanga song by CC, so I feel like she deserved to be in a showstopper. So yeah, unfortunately B is not gonna be in. She was good, she was great. I mean, she's got a very bright future because she can sing. She already has like supporters already. So I feel like if she can go out there and make it, I mean, we all know that idols, people that don't make it into the finals or that don't really win the competition, usually go out to make it in the music industry. I mean, you can talk about Amanda Black and all those people that you know. So I just feel like it's not the end of the road for her. You know what? Enough about B and Ndoni, because I feel like Ndoni did well and she deserves to be in. Let's talk about Ntokozo. Ntokozo is in as well. Ntokozo, congratulations, Ntokozo. I don't know why all the time when Ntokozo is singing, I always think of Matema. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just, without any trying to sound all dramatic. I just feel like Ntokozo has that Matema thing going on, and it works for her. She's got a great voice, great stuff there in Ntokozo. She's got pipes for days. I mean, she always gives it all. That's what I like about her. She gives it all. She lays it bare. She does not compromise. She doesn't compromise at all when she's singing on stage. Her moves, her vocal range, the way she delivers the song, for me it's top notch. Another person that is in, is Zanotando. Well done, Zanotando. I know that people say he's arrogant, but I just feel like this guy is just confident. The guy is just having the best time of his life on the idol stage, so he's enjoying it. The guy looks ready. Actually, I feel like the guy is ready. I feel like he's ready for the music entertainment industry. I just hope that he can get enough votes to stay a bit longer in the idol stage. Probably even go and win it. You never know. Zanotando, because of the fact that people say, hey, he's arrogant, maybe there is that thing of arrogance, because I've seen it hurt so many people. Actually, talking about Matema, I felt like one reason why Matema didn't win was because of the fact that people felt she was arrogant, she was overconfident. And people are not very chuffed when they see someone very overconfident and showing a lot of power, a lot of belief in themselves. People always want you to be humble, they always want you to don't show too much of yourself, don't think you know it all, people like that. And I just thought maybe it was gonna come to hurt him, but he's here. Clearly, people love him. People love the way he is. He was dancing, he was doing everything on stage. He was smiling, singing to the camera, audience, everything. I just felt like he was good. So big up to Zanotando there. I can't wait to see him next week in the showstopper. So you know what? Let's leave it to the votes and everything. So yeah, what else? Juma is in. Well done, Bujuma. One thing about Bujuma is the fact that he's never predictable. You can never predict him. Every week he delivers something new, something different. It's like, Juma, you are the slow, love ballads and all those things, but then he always comes with some vibey things. When you think about vibey things, comes up with some up-tempo stuff, slow jam, afro, the guy is good. He's versatile, and I feel like the fact that he keeps bringing something new every week, that is actually making people love him more. So I like it for Juma there, because when I did this episode where I said Juma is an underdog, he's underrated, but he is here with a pack of surprises, and we can see all of it. It's happening in front of us. I'm so happy for Juma. Juma, great stuff. This is a possible Idols winner for me. Just remember it that I said Juma might win the competition this year, which is a tough competition. It's a very tough competition. Just I don't know what's gonna happen next week. I just know what's gonna happen next week. And then there was Brandon. Brandon is in as well. The guy is good, can sing, looks good, looks great. He's lovable. I just wish he could use the stage a bit more. Because this guy can actually go and win the competition. I mean, Brandon got everything that I feel like it's needed in the idol singer. Like, the guy is handsome, good looking, can sing. I just feel like he can just open up and just let go. I wish Brandon could just let go and just perform and enjoy the stage. I just feel he could do that. But he's good, he's great. People are voting for him, so it means they love him. But I just feel like maybe it's a strategy, Because one strategy I've seen with Brandon is the fact that the songs that he picks all the time, they're always suitable for his voice. So that kind of strategy, maybe it's a little bit of a portion that is giving us about how he's actually planning the whole thing, that I don't want to give everything at once. I just want to hold back a little bit, and then boom, I give you something, a surprise. Sometimes, I don't know, maybe next week, I don't know. But I just feel like maybe he's got a surprise for us. Because this guy is strategizing very well with regard to song choices, because all the songs that he's chosen, all of them, they are suitable for his voice, and he's comfortable. He's not like, singing off key, or he's just comfortable. So his song choices have been top notch for me, and I feel like if he can continue like that, maybe bring in a bit of emotional sides of him, like gospel type spiritual side, maybe, because I feel like if Brandon can choose a gospel song, it can be a killer, because he's got that gospel thing in him. I don't know why, but I feel like he does have that gospel thing in him. If he can choose a gospel song sometime that's going to bring people to church, something that's going to bring people closer to their spiritual selves, I just feel like it might just change the whole game in the Idols 2020 season. So who knows? I mean, being in the top 8, it's like, what else do you want? Because maybe not winning the competition, but you've already arrived in a sense that you are known. You have cemented your name. Your name is engraved in people's hearts and brains and minds. People always know you now. If you release a song or a single, it is going to boom. People are going to give it an ear, So it's good to actually enjoy this time, I just hope you can just go out there and enjoy it. Okay, enough about Brandon. Let's move to Zama. People actually want Zama to win the competition, because I can see that. I know that she reminds so many people about Paxton. Paxton is one lady who also won the competition previously. I just can't remember what season it was, but Paxton was a young lady who came on the Idol stage and then performed. People loved it because she was young, she was delivering, she was not fazed by anything. And I feel like I can see that in Zama. She is not fazed by anything. The girl is just herself. She is herself. And people love her, she's quite humble as well. She's very humble. People love that as well, about people being humble. I don't know why people love people that are very humble. South Africans, I know they like people that are very humble, reserved, don't act as if you know too much. People will love you. I don't know why, but I feel like Zama is playing her cards very well. So that's it about Zama. She's in the top 8 of the South African Idols season 16, 2020. Yeah, Mr. Music is in. Mr. Music. The guy has a great smile. I didn't know he has a great laugh. It's quite tricky to sing a song and then try to include a laugh in the middle, because sometimes it can just be can just sound a little bit off, but with him, his laughter just matched the song. It was spot on. His body language, he was commanding. He actually took you through the journey of the song. You were connecting to him. And I feel like it's a powerful thing to be able to bring that thing, that soul in you, so that people can actually look at you, focus on you as a performer. So that's actually a great skill, Mr. Music. So I'm saying big ups to that one. You did great, actually. You did very great. Another potential winner, but based on votes, but it looks like people are warming up to Mr. Music. They're starting to vote for him, which is good, because he's very real. His voice is unique. It sounds like him. Like I agree with Unati. She said like Mr. Music's voice sounds like him. He doesn't sound like anybody else, which is a good thing, because I know that people are tired of hearing the same voices. They just want to hear something new, something unique, and Mr. Music got it. So why not get the votes, So yeah, I don't know. And last but not least, Bongi. Since Bongi has a great music background to herself. I mean, she's an opera singer. She's led big choirs in choral music. She's got experience with music. I think she studied music as well. So because of her background, this girl knows where to step and where to step back. I feel like she knows where to put her feet, and where not to put her hands. I feel like she knows how to play around. But I'm not sure if she's an idol's material. I know powerhouse voice. She always reminds me of Jill Scott. I don't know why. All the time she's on stage, I think of Jill Scott. So she always impresses. I mean, she never disappoints all the time. But I just have that thing. I'm not sure if she's a typical idol's contestant. She's not because the girl is more jazzy. I feel like I see her singing jazz. I see her singing like a lot of soul stuff. So big ups to her. And guys, did you know that the Idols winner of this season is going to get a recording deal from Kalawa Jasmine? And on top of that, we all know that the Idols winner is going to get R1 million. R1 million, the whole million is going to an Idols winner. So it's interesting that all people that are going to be voting this season will actually be deciding who Kalawa Jasmine works with. So it's such a great thing. So yeah guys, that's all I had for you today on Nkanelo Gingirikani na mina Mandla Gingirikani wa kamashabani kinsengofu kwa namtami joinile mazwita ndabulela kakhulu kwa mi joinile lane. Just make sure that you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Don't be stingy with the subscribe button, guys. And also the notification bell to make sure that whenever we do our videos, you are the first to receive it. Guys, thank you very much for me. Legere ek as dorski twele kile nyora nilaniwe go make good. Hey, so miwe. Salut. Mega tete men.